That's why he said it's not bad since you don't have any lockers. That's why I was saying when we gear, I want lockers. Since you're already in there.
I just don't know anything about installing them, wiring them.
I know.
Mechanical lockers, electrical lockers. I don't know anything about them.
No, the newer Jeeps come with the mechanical.
Sure would be nice to have a shower.
I think they have a shower in the campground somewhere.
That's okay. We probably need to head back for too long. I think we're done wheeling, right?
I have no idea.
Well, your car isn't honked.
No, it hasn't again.
I think it was
don't know
repeating.
what it was.
This was.
Well, yeah, because the two lights came on in here
Right, like you hit your remote.
somehow. I don't know.
Just a jarring, probably. It just was in a weird spot. We'll see if it honks anymore.
How pretty.
Yeah, just don't drive down it. I don't think they can rescue us. We're staying on 2 now. That's heading towards the front. I'm not even sure my truck can go through these little roads. They honked again. Oh. Oh, Lord. In the fall, you can do it when you take the top off. You gotta take the windows out so you can fold this all the way back.
Yeah.
Just bring that little case that we got your, well, you got your other windows in there.
Yeah, the Freedom Tops in there.
Probably put the Freedom Tops back on the top, right?
Hmm?
Yep.
What?
Can't you just store the Freedom Tops on the top itself?
On the top itself.
Yeah. Fasten them back on the top or they won't stay in place. Well, they probably won't stay in place because they attach to the frame here. I think he must have shorted something in it. You know what? Maybe it's my keys. My keys are in my back pocket. That could be it.
Uh-huh. Let's see if it does it anymore.
Well, that's just reminding you how bumpy the ride is. Tell him that. We figured it out. I had the keys in my back pocket. Dumbass. Oh, are we filming?
Yeah.
It's not coming now. It's just the road to the front.
You sure we're going to the front?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.